Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawrence, and today I am going to try to get free stuff on Amazon.com. So full disclosure, a couple days ago, a company called ExtremeRebate.com reached out to me and asked me to advertise to my 5 subscribers on YouTube basically for their COVID-19 PPE. And before I can do anything, I obviously want to try out their site. From what I can tell, their site connects the Amazon retailers to the Amazon buyers, and they give out free Amazon stuff and basically in exchange for your 5-star review. So by the end of this video, hopefully I'll be getting a lot of free stuff. I'll get rebated for all of my Amazon purchases. Stick around if this sounds interesting to you. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at their website. They offered me a link and that will be in the description. So go ahead and click on my link. And then at the top right, you'll see Extreme Rebate logo. Click on that. So we're finally at the landing page, ExtremeRebate.com. And here's all of the stuff they have. First, you have to create an account and link your Amazon account profile so they know you're a legitimate Amazon buyer. And they're also probably going to look at your reviews in the past, so you can't have a new account. If I want this acupuncture pen, I can just click request. It will send a message to the Amazon seller that you want to try out their product. We can take a look at my requests, and these are all the products I requested for. I basically picked the only stuff that I wanted for my house because I've done this type of deal before. I don't want my house being flooded with a bunch of Chinese junk from Amazon. So whatever I get, it's going to be useful for my family and for myself. And here are the items that I requested. And after your purchase is approved, you go ahead and go through their link, make the purchase on Amazon, and then you'll have to submit the order confirmation number. So you can see that I ordered 5 things. I ordered a dustpan, some exercising equipment, a golfing game for my kid, and some toothbrush heads, and a collapsible water bottle. So that's pretty cool stuff. It's about a little over $100 of stuff. Once the item is shipped, you're going to confirm that the item has been shipped. So by tomorrow, I'll log back on and we'll go over my stuff and hopefully expect a rebate from them. So a lot of my friends were wondering what kind of free stuff are they actually willing to give away. And you can see that they give away some pretty expensive stuff. The first thing I can see here is a gimbal, $80 gimbal on Amazon. They have massagers, everything from garden hoses to climbing equipment to even male or female massaging toys, bike lights. They have thousands of items on Amazon. And I've been a retailer from China products in the past. I know how hard it is to get in the market. And I understand why they have to do this kind of thing to offer away free products in exchange for your 5-star reviews. Okay, so it's been about a day and I got my packages. So I just confirmed the receipt on the website and we're just waiting for the reimbursement right now through PayPal. Alright guys, it's been about 2 days since I received all my stuff. Quick update. Good news, I got a refund of $13.95 from PayPal, and I noticed this excludes the PayPal transaction fee as well as the sales tax. So that's the downside. And one of the products, I already broke it. And like, what do you do in the situation if you break a free product? Can I send it back to Amazon and get another one? Or am I stuck with a bunch of trash that I had to pay the taxes and the PayPal fees for? So I'm still waiting for the rest of the rebates. Currently, I have 0 remaining requests of free products from Amazon. However, if I write 1 review, I'll get 1 more request. If I write 1 good review with pictures over 60 words, I'll get 2 more requests. And if I write 1 good review over 60 words with a video, I'll get 3 more requests. So most likely, I'll just review the good stuff that I like, give it 5 stars, and I won't be reviewing the stuff that breaks on me. Guys, I have great news. I finally received rebates from all of my first 5 transactions. I paid about $130 to get all the products. I received PayPal rebates of $117, and that's due to PayPal fees and local taxes, and taxes in California are about 10%. So it may benefit you better if you live out in a state without sales tax like Oregon. And I'm just so happy. I just basically went crazy with these transactions. After seeing that the first 5 were legitimate, I probably ordered almost another $500 of products, and I'll probably have over $1,000 of Amazon products by the end of this month. So I'm gonna have to give Extreme Rebate kudos to you guys. You have a great website. I love getting free stuff, and I'm kind of hesitant to share this website with my viewers out there, all of my 5 subscribers. Basically, I'm gonna be competing with you to get these great products. so there will be less available for me. So as a thank you to ExtremeRebate, I'm going to be providing the link that they gave me to give out to you guys. It's up to you whether you want to click on it, but as a thank you, I'm just going to give it out there for free. And once you click on the link, make sure you click on the deals or ExtremeRebate logo at the top. And if you're interested about the mask that they're offering on their page to ensure that their platform is still running, they wanted me to let you guys know that all the masks are 100% in stock and have CE certification. They'll be shipped to America within 7 days, and information is updated every 10 minutes. So thank you, ExtremeRebate. Guys, thank you for watching my video. That's all I have. Please subscribe to this channel so I can continue to give you great content in the future.